Alright, hi guys, so this video is going to be about the Carli. Stretch your back for you. This was going to be about my Carli Bybel palette. Now this was an accidental purchase. I actually purchased 3, or I thought I purchased 3 for my classes, because you know we need palettes for classes and stuff. So I thought I purchased 3 for my classes, and I'm so glad this turned out how it did, because most of my students, you know, I've seen you guys' pictures, you guys are African American or no black. So this palette would not work at all. Now I must say the packaging on this palette is absolutely phenomenal. If it had more colors, more colors that worked for me, then I would definitely recommend this palette. But the packaging is sexy. I love cardboard palettes. I think they're gorgeous. It's like a cushiony look. You guys can see it, rose gold lettering. You guys don't know this, but I'm a sucker for rose gold. And on the inside you have marble, and then there's this mirror. The mirror that is here though is not a really good quality mirror. It's kind of wobbly. I kept on looking at it. You know, sometimes the mirror has a film on it, so I kept on looking at it if the film needed to be torn off, and it doesn't need to be torn off. This is just how it is, and I'm not really a fan of it at all. The colors are just wayward. I don't know. Let me tell you, it's since I've been doing YouTube for so long, and people think that we get paid this ridiculous amount of money and we're just in it for free stuff. You guys who are just joining in are in it for free stuff. Us who have been doing it for years, we know the struggle. We have no problems telling brands no or whatever. This, however, was purchased with my very own money, and I don't know, I just think I was trying to make this color work as a nice transition color. These two are the deepest ones, and they're frosty. They're not shimmery. They're not so. What's the word? It's not shimmery. It's like frosty. You know what I mean? Like there is some kind of shimmers in it, but it's not overly shimmery. But the only matte colors that are in here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 matte colors in here, and one of the matte colors, it's not black or even a really deep brown or a really rich burgundy. Now I understand whenever you create your palette, whenever you create your own palette, right, with a brand, you choose colors that you really love. And I know I've gotten slack for choosing brushes that I love, and people don't really see the purpose behind them, and choosing different stuff that I love, and people really don't see the purpose behind them. But it's really what I love. You understand? Like, this is what I love, so I'm going to do what I love. But in doing what you love, Marlene said this thing. Was it Marlene? Was it Marlene? She said, but Lyric, you have to choose stuff that's basically general. I don't remember Marlene. I think it was her, because it's her name coming to me. I think it was Marlene who said it to me. But this is not the only thing that I love this palette for is for the glows. Like, I'm wearing 1, 2, 3 glows on my cheek right now. 3, and the glow selection is phenomenal. These two are similar. When I swatch them, they are similar. The only is just like a half of a millisecond darker, but it's not really. They're really similar. So the only thing that's saving this palette for me is the highlighter palette. This palette again is BH Cosmetics in collaboration with Carli Bybel. It's just not, and I had to wet the eyeshadows for them to show up. And as you can see, guys, I had to do a lot of line work on my eyes just to kind of save my eye look, because this palette really is not wearable for me at all. The packaging is just, it's blowing my mind. The packaging, just looking at the marble and everything, it's blowing my mind. And I can see some really nice colors for lighter women, for fairer women, and these is the only thing that they got right in terms of across the board. All skin tones are the glows, because this one is deep. You know what I mean? Like, this is deep. Even it's too deep for me. Like, this would be my more. This would be the glow I would more go for. You know, this one here, but this one is really deep. So I really think like the glow selection is for every single skin type, skin tone. But in terms of the eyeshadows, no, it's somebody who's darker than I am. This is not going to make any sense whatsoever. I don't know. I guess because I've been watching too much videos with, you know, black women reviewing products, and it's just a kind of a frustration. And Carli, she has collaborated with BH before. I did not get that collaboration, so correct me if I'm wrong. This is the one that's more for lighter women or for lighter customers, and then the other one, it had more variety, you know. So correct me if I'm wrong, but this just looked very This looks like colors that she loves and not necessarily colors that's wearable across the board. I don't know, I hope I'm not coming off weird, you know, like bad mind or nothing. I hope I'm not coming off snobbish or not like that. I'm just giving my honest review, and being that I'm doing this 31 days videos in the month of August, it's really giving me time to just sit down and kind of assess my kit, assess the makeup that I use, and be a bit more critical, because other brands are coming up, and boy, like, if your head is not in the game and I'm just getting this because I love you and I'm not thinking about the quality, then it makes absolutely no sense whatsoever, you know what I mean? So that's it for this video. I will not go long. This is definitely not my favorite. The only thing I love about this is the highlighters, and she's saying a lot about a palette that has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 4 times 1 2 3 4 5 15 colors, I think. 15 colors, 15 eyeshadows, and only 2 4 6 highlighters. And the highlighters, that's what's winning. The highlighters I will definitely go for, especially this one right here, this nice holographic one. I do not own a holographic highlighter, so this I would just love, like this in a palette alone. Oh my god, this, just like this, just give me this, just give me these and I'm good. Just give me these and I'm good. Alright you guys, that's it for this video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. By the way, congrats on Carli Bybel for actually collaborating with BH Cosmetics. I really hope I'm not coming off bad, you know, but congrats for any influencer to collab with a really prominent brand. Any brand, as a matter of fact, is a really huge deal, so I commend her for that. This palette is just not for me for the eyeshadows, and I don't think it will work for deeper skinned women and women who are darker than I am. Like, this palette wouldn't do a darn thing, you know. So yeah, that's basically it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.